Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I came with a new automation application that's an IRCTC website automation. As we all know that uh, IRCTC is one of the busiest site in the Indian system that is operated by the government of India. But today I'm going to crack that and I'm going to work on how to automate the IRCTC website, and I'll show you a few of the advanced topic in particular automation tool that we are using the Blue Prism. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you about the how to automate IRCTC website such a way that it's about the automating the Internet Explorer and providing a username and password. And here comes the new concept called reader security capture code. Here I'm going to use OCR reader. Using OCR reader, I'm going to read the capture code and I'm going to provide the same code to the website, and I'm going to log into the IRCTC website, and from there we can go and search the trains, and you can do whatever operations you can automate. That depends on our optional work. And then I'll sign out and simply close the Internet Explorer. This is what I'm going to explain. Let me walk you through the process. Here comes my object for the IRCTC website automation. So as you can see that first of all I have spied the required elements in the website. So you can see that I have spied the IRCTC website, and I have spied the username, password, capture, kept it in my item data item, and then I have spied the login button. And once I'm logging into the system, I have spied the from address, to address, date, submit, sign out button, all this which are required for our process in future. So let me walk you through the process that I have designed today. So the very first thing is a start and launching an application. From there I will wait until the application is getting launched. Once it gets launched, that will provide the username, password. Here comes the new concept called reading the capture. Yeah, I already told you that it's a new concept, reading a captcha code. So I have spied the captcha, so I'm going to read the values from that using the read text with OCR. OCR is a technology where we read the image and we convert the image into text format. So I'll convert those text values and I'll capture it, I'll store it in my captcha code data item. And next I'll provide the same captcha code which I captured from the system, and I'll provide it in the required field, and then I'll click on login button, and I'll perform some few operations, and from there I'll simply sign out and I'll close my application. So this is what I plan for today, and let me run the process. So let me run the process now. Observe carefully. It launched the application and then it's moved to the wait stage. That will wait until the process is getting loaded. Once the process got loaded, that will provide the username, and that will provide the password, and that will spy the object, that will spy the particular captcha code, and that will paste it in the required field. So you can able to see that the captcha code is already captured here. In my right side, in my Blue Prism, it's already captured, and that will click on the login button now. So you can see that the application is being launched. So it's already provided the correct password, correct user ID, and correct captcha code, and then my application is getting logged in. And from here you can search for anything. As of now I haven't automated this because this is a simple task that you can do it, and I have simply clicked on time sign out. From there, my application will getting signed out, and my process will be terminated there. So this is a simple application where different phases are involved, and I told you it's a new technique that we are using in the current process, which is comparatively than previous process that I explained you. So here I have used the regional mode to spy the capture code. If you had any queries about how to work with the regional mode, how to capture the image, and how to do the surface automation, you can refer to my previous videos where I have explained about the surface automation, or you can find the link below in the description. The application is got terminated and my process got ended. So as I told you earlier, there are a few more applications that are I'm going to automate and present it here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because there are few applications which are really interesting, and that I'm going to show it here. And if you had any queries, please comment below. And if you had any serious queries, you can drop me a mail at any point of time. I'm here to respond to you people. You'll surely get a response within 24 hours. And if you wanna come directly to my web link, you can go here, youtube.com/pratapbvb. That will navigate to my YouTube page. And thank you for your support.